Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find local max, local min. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of the function. We know that we need to apply the formula in here. That is about the power rule of the derivative. That means we have y equals to x to the power of n. Later that we need to do first the derivative, and we have nx to the power of n minus 1. So this one, that is about 3x squared. This one, that is about 2x. This one, that is about number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. And now we need to simplify number 4 with number 3. We have number 12. This one we have 66. This one we have 84. Now we need to put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have s equals to 7 over number 2. And the second one, s equals to number 2. After you got 7 over 2 and number 2, we put this one, go back to this function, and we have 5 over number 4. And this one, we put number 2 going here, and we have number 8. But we cannot figure out which one that is about local max and local min. So we can use about variation table. So we need to draw the table in here. So we have from negative infinity to positive infinity. So we have number 2 going here. Number 2 going here, and 7 over 2 going here. Because this is about the critical value, so you got number 0 and number 0. So the side of this one, we have number 12. Number 12 is greater than number 0. So the side of this one should be about positive. Then we go in here, we have negative. Then this one we have positive. So because if we have first the derivative is positive, the function they will increase. If this one is negative, the function is decreased. So this one they will go in here, then they go down in here, and they go in here. So this one we have negative infinity. Number 2, that is about number 8. This one we have 5 over 4. This one they go to positive infinity. So we can see that this point here, that is about local max. This point here, that is about local min. So based on the table, we can write the answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.